Ang laki lang ba? Ang laki lang ba sa akin? Digital queue ticket number or select Philippine Airlines. Ay, hala. Hala, nag-print. Yung early check-in, nakaka-stress. Stress talaga ako. Ano kasi number 1, ang sungit-sungit nung nag-aasikaso ng early check-in namin sa Philippine Airlines. Todo si Mangot. Parang feeling niya perfect lahat. Na dapat alam namin yung paglagay ng baggage. Chicken rice, chicken rice. Bye Singapore! Woo! Hi guys, so we're currently here at Holiday Inn Express Orchard, Singapore. So for easier and more convenient transfers, instead of us going to the MRT or taking a cab or grab car, we instead opted to use yung sakluk, yung airport drop off. So from hotel going to the airport. Here's what you can do in Klook. Open the Klook app and then go to transport. And then for example, airport transfers, airport pick up, airport drop off. So drop off na ako ngayon. Click address Holiday Inn. So you'll be able to set the date. Today it's March 25, so I selected that. And then pick up time, you can select, for example, right, 8 p.m. This is just an example. Then confirm, then search for private transfer, and then you can also adjust. You can select it's either economy, or you could say 4-seater, or bus, or premium 7-seater, bus 24-seater with for example, what we selected actually is 24-seater. This is just an example, but this is what we booked. It's indicated in here that 13 packs, 10 luggages. Then you need to indicate the flight number, and then most importantly, you can select or put my Klook promo code, Insane Klook. Yes, you can see, you can use that, and you can see that there's a discount. Okay, we asked for the pickup time of 2 p.m. and there's a 15-minute waiting time grace period. So we'll see. We're here in Holiday Inn Express Orchard, Singapore. Okay, so ito lang yung baggage namin. Actually, hindi namin makasama si Pining Gia kasi karoon ng errands dun sa itinerary. May iba kasi silang lakad and they've decided na hindi lang mag-join. Dapat kasama sila, that's why malaking bus or coaster, malaking bus. Mas malaking sasakyan na kinuha namin or coaster type na mas maraming baggage ang may cater. So, it can accommodate 24 packs and 13 luggages. So, currently, maluwag sa amin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Na iba ka, sobra na lang eh. I was able to contact the driver of the airport drop-off. And it's via WhatsApp. So, you need to install WhatsApp. Driver told me it's 2:15. Actually, pickup time is 2 p.m. But the maximum time that it's allowable with the grace period is 15 minutes. So that's 2:15. But he sent me a message and said that I'm sorry. Is it okay if we can another delay of 15 minutes? So I said it's okay. Let's see. It's already 2:30. So let's just wait. He didn't text me again, so I think he's going to be on time. Let's just wait for the coaster. Ang laki lang ba? Kasi wala sila Shane eh. Yan sa coaster. Okay lang ba sa akin? Feeling mayaman. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. Yeah, we'll be back. Oh wow, we have a large pickup. Yeah, one seat apart. Where should I say? Over here, okay.
Isa-isa tayo. Ano, dami? Bilang.
Yeah, I think so.
Ito. Yung rayo, di natin dala.
Similar lang.
Okay.
Single ako, single.
Oh, let's go! Wala silang team fighting Gia. Let's go!
Wala si Kia.
Oo nga.
Kasi
So, ayun, naluwag nga sa amin guys. So, ito yun. No? This only costed like 5,000 pesos.
Kaya pala.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
It's really
18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 36. Look at that count. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3. 23 seats. This is a 23 seat. Alright. Bye Singapore.
Bye! Thank you!
We're on a 23 seat coaster going to Changi Airport. See you Jewel Airport. Ayun dito sila kuya.
Ayan o. Ayun pa kami sa pinaka-top dito sa side na.
Kaya pala kita yung Holiday Inn. Bravos Hotel.
No, ang mga building nila na required sila mga gagawin na. Ayun, nakita mo yan.
Guys, if you plan to book via Agoda, if you want to book hotels in Singapore via Agoda, you can use my Agoda promo code Pagod Ako. One word. Because sometimes we need to take a rest for a while on a busy day, you know. Pagod Ako. Just declare that, Pagod Ako. Fun. The last time I went here, that's sponsored by my company, is just in front of Terminal 1, which is Crown Plaza. Forgot. Crown Changi Airport.
T1.
Welcome to Changi, you know. Okay, there you go. T1 Jewel. This Terminal 3, Terminal 4. Thank you.
when you just come, I'll bring you.
Ah, okay.
Just come down, please.
Thank you. Okay, the guy is very assistive. Thank you so much. Okay na.
Because I work in Saudi Arabia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Kompleto ba
Thank you so much. That was a superb ride. It's all at the same time expensive but worth it, worth the experience. So at least it's crossed our bucket list. So again, you can book this transfer via Klook and you can just make a promo code in Say Klook. It could have been a 9 packs. It could cater a lot of luggages for just 1,000 pesos or 2,000 pesos difference. I think experience is better than the money. That's for me. So pinag-iipunan namin para magamit, ma-experience to. So achieve. Pwede lang hindi maulit. So it depends on the scenario. Let's go. Wow, Donya. Huh?
Very nice.
Wow, fast check-in. Let's go. They have a lot of fast check-in. You can see the flight information upon entering. Right, so let's explore the airport. And 2030, oh. Retimed. Look at this. It's blinking. Early check-in at Jewel Level 1. Access through Terminal 1 Arrival Hall. Philippine Airlines. So please proceed to the regular airline check-in counters if you have access stop travel or standby tickets or flight change requests. Actually, di ko pa alam, nagugulan pa ako paano policy dito. Ibang-iba na yung... Ibang-iba na yung Singapore. Impressed na ako nung... Dito rin yun, alam ko eh. Yung pinuntahan ko noon. Pero hindi ko na ma-imagine, hindi ko na maisip kung ganito pa rin ba itsura dati. Ibang-iba na siya eh. Laki improvement. Hindi na yata pwede yan. No? Guys, so if you're departing Singapore, don't forget to collate all of those receipts that are GST refundable upon going out of Singapore and going back to your country. So I think these are the tips. Apply GST refund, check-in items before check-in, present check-in items at GST refund before flight check-in. After clearing departure immigration, hand carry items, present hand carry items at GST refund area after departure immigration. SkyTrain T2. You can from Terminal 1
Jewel sila.
going to City MRT station at it. Oh. Okay, so as early as 3:34, no check-ins available at this time. As you can see, row 11 is still currently closed. So we couldn't check in as early as 5 hours. But how? Okay, so let's go down with the trolley with our baggages. We're going to T1 car park, arrival, Jewel, early check-in. Let's go. Si Mami, titig na titig dito. Oh. Titig na titig sa rain. Rain, rain, go away. Ayun, dumating kayo? Ah, arrival hall. Dito pala yung arrival. Dito dumating sila kuya noon. Nang so surprise pa lang. Ayun na. Oh my God. Ah. Early check-in at Jewel. Pwede mo mag-early check-in? Early check-in meaning ilagay na kagad yung ano? Bagahe. Ay, may hoteler dito. Ayun guys, dito sa Terminal 1 may baggage storage eh. Kung gusto mo pa baggage muna, hoteler, dapat dyan kami mag-check-in. Yan ang plano na dapat namin, kaso mahal. So it's actually bookable din sa Klook or even sa Agoda. So we decided na additional 1 day na lang kami dito sa Singapore. Early check-in. Okay, let's go. Eh, may palo. Meron. Sing!
Hello!
Hello!
Ate April, mga kapatid ni...
Ay, hello po.
Pinsan niya.
Tiya, way, way!
Hello!
Tiya, way, way! Tiya, kuy, kuy! Mag-early check-in na ba tayo?
Mga po, may pal nga po. Okay nga eh. Kasi lahat.
Meron palang early check-in ng Philippine Airlines. So, let's go. Dito tayo. Welcome to Jewel Early Check-in Lounge. You can scan the QR code to obtain a digital ticket number or select Philippine Airlines. Ay, hala. Hala, nag-print. Nag-print agad. 4026. Ano para saan to? Mag-check-in na?
Yeah, doctor ng...
Ikaw?
We're going to wait first kasi...
Ayaw nga. So they have this weigh your bag before check-in. Ayan, check natin. Ay, wala. Mabigat pero hindi naman 30.
So, 14.
Oh, pangalawang 30 yan, no? Wala rin. Oh, hand carry. Ay, lagpas, hand carry. 8 kilo.
Ano iba bawas mo dyan?
Teka, ako muna dada. Sa akin, guys. Ano ba yan?
Lang yan eh.
Ay, 5 kilo, yay! Akin na dad yung sa iba sa iyo. Bigay mo sa akin. Ano yan? Hand carry nino?
Oh, yan, tama yan.
Ayan, sakto. Kanino yan?
Akin.
Okay, okay. Shane. Naku.
Kanya yan.
4 kilo kilaban ako para mabigat eh.
Maraming pangallowance.
2 kilo. Wala akong sinabi ma. Hindi mo kailangan weigh-in yan. Kunti na lang. Kailangan sumunod tayo sa policies ng airlines, ng airport. So dapat hand carry 7 kilo. Check-in, we avail yung 30 kilo. Laki ka, ang laking convenience pag 30 kilo. Kasama na sa sapal. Pati nga, pati ka natin. O, so okay na.
28
Nice. Let's go.
Eh, ikaw.
A few moments later.
Story time guys. Yung early check-in, nakaka-stress. Stress talaga ako. Stress din yung kasama ko sa team fighting Gia. Ano kasi number 1, ang sungit-sungit nung nag-aasikaso nung early check-in namin sa Philippine Airlines. Todo si Mangot, parang feeling niya perfect lahat. Na dapat alam namin yung paglagay ng baggage, ganyan. Kami, hindi naman kami frequent traveler eh. So I think she just assumed na frequent traveler kami. So grabe ang napakasungit. Tapos hindi ko pa siya masyadong maintindihan. Sabi, paano, ilagay daw niya, kailangan daw niya yung paglagay ng sticker. So, kung hindi mo nagawa yung sinasabi niya, parang may inis siya pa siya. So, naiinis ka dahil naiinis siya na di mo alam yung ginagawa mo. So, parang yung mga first timer naman. Ako madalas na ako mag-travel noon, pero ngayon lang uli ako nakakapag-travel ulit. So, that's one napakasungit. Walang customer service pa lang, guys. Pumunta kami dito para mag-invest ng pera sa country as a tourist. Tapos bakit gano'n naman ang customer service? So nag-garant ako Number 2, that's number 1. Number 2, yung mga, kasi queuing siya. You need, nakakita-kita sa screen yung please take a queue number, which is may machine doon para kumuha ng number. So nakakuha naman kami, pero yung mga sumunod sa amin na foreigner, sorry, pero siguro may discrimination talaga din dito na porket Asian siguro kami na parang bakit may pila-pila lang kami, parang gano'n ang impression. So sabi sabi sa likod namin, bakit daw ang dami-dami daw namin, bakit kami nangunguna, ang tagal-tagal daw. Yung sabi naman nung in fairness dun sa nag-aasikaso, wala daw siya magagawa, it's part of the process na 7 packs, that's the maximum na pwede mag-group check-in. So ginasikaso na kami kasi group check-in. So sabi niya doon sa isang maybe husband niya yun na gano'n talaga. But yung babae, irate, yung kasunod namin, irate na parang, bakit kayo ang una, ganyan, tagal-tagal nyo, parang sinabi namin, ay parang sinasabi, pumila lang daw kami at walang number. So, ginudge kami by our appearance na hindi kami sumusunod sa policy. At we just get sabi ko, we had the queue number, I have the queue number, so I showed it to them that I have a queue number and it's our turn. That's why we got accommodated by the early check-in. Tapos wala, natahimik na, wala na siya magawa kasi parang kasalanan ba namin mahuli yung pagkuha niya ng queue number? Nauna kami. Kaya nga queuing eh. Oh my God, sorry. Naggarat lang ako. So, oh my God, what's this? Finally. Wow. Wow. Jewel. Wow. Oh. Wow, Gia. Tuwa oh. Wait. Tuwa oh. Tuwa si Gia. Kung gusto mo maligo dito ka na lang Go. Mas pa. Okay.
Kim. Mama, dito kami sa Jewel Changi Airport. Pinapanood din namin sa vlog. Ayun, nandito na si Mama. So, nasa ilalim tayo ng may mga restaurants pala dito sa baba. Sorry guys, first time ko dito sa Jewel. Hanap tayo ng kakainan na. Ayun, dahil ng story. Yun 4.9 lang Hainan story. Oo nga check nga natin. Hainan story. Mga side sila, kids menu, $10. Gusto ko na Hainanese. Natikman ko man lang ang Hainanese dito bago kumalik. Mahal pala, $17. Mahal dito. Mahal dito. Dito tayo. Let's check the others. All American food, if you want a comfort food. Doon tayo kayo sa Toast Box. Kasi sa Toast Box, alam ko merong Hainanese eh. Sa Pilipinas nga, may Hainanese chicken rice ang Toast Box eh. Doon tayo sa Food Republic. Food court talang. Food Republic, ayun no. Puro sila ganyan no. Nalaos na bang chicken rice? Tahirap pagharap kayo ng chicken rice dati, it's all over the place. Uy, cheese cup. I want that. Chicken rice, chicken rice. KFC lang so far. Ito na, baka nandito na yung hinahanap ko. Yan. Michelin. Oh, Michelin star. Anak curry. Ito siguro, mga bihon. Noodles came from fried rice. So maraming rice so. Laksa. Barbecue chicken. Yumen Hong Kong fake roast. Yan. Kaya parang gusto ko to. Kaso Hong Kong roast. Tocho fish ball. Yung taupo. Super favorite hawker food. Parang gusto ko ng hawker food. Repat bakot eh. Wala siya ng chicken rice. I want chicken rice. Guys, gusto ko lang ng basic chicken rice. Please. Hindi makakita ng basic chicken rice. Ay, yun na yata. Chicken rice set meal. What's chicken rice set meal? 1 pack. Or roasted. Ito lang siguro. Ayan na. Ayan. Masih ayam. Japanese, Korean. Pwede rin. Pero mas prefer ko Singapore yan. Hindi lang ako finally isa. Doon. Na-miss ko guys. Chicken rice.
Pagkakakita ng green,
Chicken rice. Lagay ko sa sabaw. Ito ginagawa sa Singapore dati.
tago mo sa kanin.
Sabaw ginagawang sabaw. Sa rice. Tapos titipan ko pa lang.
Kung bata kayo, ganyan.
Mmm.
Ayun na, talaga.
Amis ko yung lasa ng authentic.
Chicken.
Parang hindi na kayo
Chicken.
hotel. Kaya na wala
Mm.
na nalagyan.
Oh. Amis ko.
Jerte. Jerte.
Oh.
Jerte, kamay.
Sarap pa. Sarap pa.
Napapunas-punas.
Kain. Yee! Gia, boy, boy! Ah, sarap na sarap si Gia, boy, boy! Puy-puy ko talaga. Chicken rice. Nanyang. Ayan. Okay. Ito yung mga mall dito. Dami stores dito sa mall. Kaso wala mabibili dito si Mami. Walang Lucky Plaza dito. Puro mga mas mahal dito.
Wala 3%.
Wala 3 for 10 ha. Look, buy a Klook and use my Klook promo code Insane Klook for an additional discount. Let's go! Bye! Another change since my last visit was yung GST refund pala dito. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, nagko-collecta pa ako ng mga resibo. Pinapakita ko dun sa GST refund section. Minsan malabo na yung resibo ko, minsan hindi acceptable. Pero this time, they will just scan your passport kasi upon purchase, alam nila, they will ask your passport kasi GST refundable yung item mo. So upon going to the kiosk, malalaman nila kung magkano. May summary pa yon na makikita ka pa doon sa GST refund. And you can get it as cash or credit card na balik. Pero kung cash lahat ang ginawa mo, hindi cash mo makukuha. Okay? Galing, ang dami nangyaring bago dito. Si Mami.
Kasi ayaw mo yung 10 steps.
Zaindik Prime. Yeah, bye bye! Yeah, bye bye! Yeah, bye bye! Yeah, bye bye! Papa! Abot na ito, Mama!
Let's go, Gia. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, departure. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Terminal 1 going 8:30 Manila. Sea timed C17. KG 17. Mama, bye-bye. Bye-bye Singapore. Bye-bye. Mama, the same GST cash refund that I did before. Same station. I remember this one. I remember this place. C17 up to 13 minutes. Let's go. O ano, may mabibiling ka dyan? Alam nyo ba guys, matagal nang may walk dito sa Changi Airport. Pilipinas, I mean 20 years ago ganito na siya. Pilipinas, wala pa rin. Dahil meron sa NAIA Terminal 3 pero napakaikli, napakatipid. Woo! Pwedad muna ko na sila. Dito ka muna kami. West Lounge, pre-internet. Pre-internet, food on the go. Snooze Lounge. C17 to 19. Flight pala is 20:30 which is 8:30. Pero 7:45 yung actual boarding. Pero nakapila na sila oh. Nagpapapasok na. We're about to board. Bye. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye Singapore, mama. Bye-bye 300,000. We're about to leave Singapore. Again, thanks for watching. Ay, di mo pala tapos. Lahat muna tayo sa Manila. Ano sabi mo Singapore, mama?
Siyempre, ano yan.
Kaliwa ka, dinikit.
Maraming
May pasokan doon. Nandun na, ano, parking. Ngayon, lumapit ka na.
Shopping.
Puro shopping, puro ulan. Ito. Meat pasta. We're here at NAIA Terminal 1. Finally, we're here. We're here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ano masasabi mo sa ano NAIA?
Ay, nawala yung magandang ano.
Yan talaga reaction mo.
Yung magandang.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Philippines. Welcome back to Insane World and welcome back to the Philippines from Singapore. I hope you enjoyed our vlog. Hold on. The last time I was here was also 10 years ago when I was in Singapore. We also arrived on the same NAIA Terminal 1 terminal. Napakaliit. That's it for our Singapore vlog 2025. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, entire vlog. Like this video, hit the like button if you like this Singapore vlog 2025. Hit the share button if you would like to share to your friends, your families, your colleagues. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe. Don't forget to use my Klook promo code Insane Klook for hotels, activities, and Agoda promo code Pagoda ko. Alright, for additional discount.